Cognizant itself actually got onto the automation journey way back in 2014, and they actually called it intelligent automation right out the gate. And they've been focused on not only helping the clients, obviously, but internally also putting automation in place, eating your own dog food, so to speak. Actually, what we've done now is that not only do we have over hundreds of bots running, but the other thing is we've gone beyond just bots. We put in automation for folks on their desktops. We're looking at how to put the machine learning on. But the other thing is we do a lot of services for our clients. And so we want to make sure not only internally do we have processes that we're automating, but we learn from that and apply it in the shared services and the BPO work that we also do for them. Sure, I think it goes back to what we've talked about a lot in the past around people, process, technologies, and systems. Technologies and systems is where most people focus first. It's honestly the easier one, but it's also about enabling those other two pieces. One is how do you make sure that you identify the right processes, look at those processes and make them more efficient, not just automate a bad process either. But then the one that's really challenging for folks, but probably one of the most critical, is the people. How do you enable this workforce of tomorrow and have the managers and people be able to manage what we call a digital workforce? And what I mean by that is that for people in the future, their jobs may look a bit different. They may be managing a digital worker, which we call a bot today a lot of times, but really a digital worker is going to be that work that is automated. And then how do we give it the right tool and technology to do the work? And then as a manager, I want to be able to see all the process as it's running, whether it's a person, my digital worker doing the work, so that I can continually monitor and make sure, one, I'm achieving the outcomes I needed, but also look for more efficiencies in those processes.